Good morning and welcome to Flamingo Friday. It's Vicky Fraser here from Moxie Books, and this morning I am going to open a box of goodies because who doesn't like opening boxes of stuff, right? It's one of my favourite things, which is why I love a really good subscription box. And if it's a book subscription box, it's even better, right? Books. Anything better than books? No. So here is the subscription box that I'm opening this morning. I signed up to this a couple of weeks ago, and because I was looking for, I was actually just researching an article that I was writing for a newsletter, for my paid newsletter, and I disappeared down a wormhole, as you do, and discovered Books That Matter, which is a book club, a subscription book club with a feminist theme. So it's all books by women and showcasing female-owned businesses, and in it it's beautiful. So it's a beautiful box, beautiful little box, beautifully packaged, and obviously you can't smell this, but it smells absolutely divine. So I'm going to rustle the paper open, and inside is just this box of goodies. Obviously the book of the month, in this case it is The Bastard of Istanbul by Elif Shafak, which I'm looking forward to reading. Also in there's a little packet of pencils with, each one has a feminist slogan or a woman-centred slogan on. I think one of them says strong female lead. Yeah, little messages, they're great. Also a tea bag, I love a tea bag, herbal tea bag, and this one is a fruit salad, raspberry fruit blend. Made by a female-owned business. And this one is the Good Aura Company, and it's wax melts. I don't know if you can... Oh, I don't know how to make ring lights work. So they're wax melts. I'd never heard of wax melts before, but apparently you just pop them in a bowl over a candle and then they melt and smell amazing. But this smells amazing even before you heat it up. And this is cruelty-free and vegan and ethical and all sorts. So it is in a plastic packaging, but I had a look at their website and they're trying to get rid of the plastic packaging, so that is good. It smells amazing. And then also they put a little newsletter in the box as well. So this is September 2020. This one is a collaboration with Penguin, which is really exciting for them. I think they're very excited. So they've got little articles in here, a little bit about the author of the book, and the author of the book has collaborated with Penguin to write something specifically for this subscription box as well, which is a great idea. If you can provide stuff for your clients that is absolutely like exclusive to the thing that they've signed up for, then that's brilliant, because it means, you know, it's something they can't get anywhere else. And then also there were some designed cards that you can send to people or stick up on your wall or something with slogans and designs on. So I just wanted to share that with you, partly because I love a good unboxing and partly because go and have a look at them. booksthatmatter.com, I think, is their web address. If you Google Books That Matter, it comes up as the first thing, and I will put the link underneath. And yeah, just go and have a look. And if you're thinking of doing a membership subscription, even if you're not doing a physical thing like that, then, you know, it's a good idea to have a look at some of the ones that are out there, test them, see what they're doing, because you can apply some of this to online stuff as well. You don't have to put a box of stuff together and send it, because I know that not everybody has the means to do that or wants to do that. Anyway, that is my idea for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's given you a few ideas for things that you can do yourself, and I will be back same time next week with another Flamingo Friday. Take care.